Hello everybody, my name is Bo, and we're still at Taco Bell, and they have this really cool bell that I'm going to ring before I leave. So, you need to let's see when I leave. This lady, I'm going to help you guys. Guys, I've been waiting here for at least 15 minutes. Alright guys, I'm pausing the video, but I'm keeping pausing until we leave this time. Alright guys, I said I wasn't going to unpause it, but I've been waiting here for at least 20 minutes. It's taking forever, so I'm gonna have to wait with me because I'm tired. Very tired. Start the time. Wait, I should have said no. Yeah, absolute. How do you say it? It's something with red lights. If you have it's something that annoys you with blinking lights. I think it's called epilepsy. Epilepsy. I don't know, guys. Whatever. If you have that, please. I should have said that at the beginning of the video. I'm really sorry. Yeah. So, but then don't watch the rest of the video. I'm sorry if you just Illuminati. Guys, I'm gonna flip out. Yeah, I'm going to flip out. It's taken probably like I made this video and no. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. If I say no, I mean no. Okay, so I made this video, and when I paused it, it took me 15 minutes to actually go. But I didn't really go, so it took me another 20 minutes. Then we're another 15 minutes. So that's gotta be like, that's probably like, what am I doing? So it's been 35 minutes. Why did I have to count that? I can count it without like feeling it. But I just but anyway, guys, look at my finger. Where'd I go? You see me? I'm flashing. I like the flash. Pray for another 20 minutes, Patrick. Alright guys, the moment we've been waiting for. The bell. I'm gonna ring the bell. I had fun. Alright. Welcome. I don't know if that was supposed to be that loud, but I did it. Oh! I did it! Guys, I rang the bell. I don't think they heard me. Oh no! Okay. There you go. What a fun video. Thank you all for watching. If you're new, subscribe and leave a like. Put your questions in the description below. and I'll see you later.